A few days back, I shared with you guys my glowing review of the brand new Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 earbuds. Every time I use those buds, I'm consistently impressed with the active noise cancellation, the sound quality, the battery life. It's all top notch here. However, the True Wireless 2 also got me thinking about how they stack up against arguably the most popular wireless earbuds in the game, the Apple AirPods Pro, which have actually been my daily driver since the day that they came out. Today, we're going to be comparing both these wireless earbuds to see which one is the best. What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and today we're going to be comparing two of the top premium wireless earbuds of 2020 so far, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 and the Apple AirPods Pro. Before we get started with this comparison, I wanted to remind you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon to be notified whenever I upload new videos. It always helps out the channel, and it does help support the work that I do. So I really appreciate the love, I really appreciate the support, and I would really appreciate that as well. Anyways, let's get on with this comparison. First and foremost, when you're deciding on any product, not just headphones, you really have to ask yourself what you're going to be using the product for. In the case of wireless earbuds, will you be working out with them, on conference calls, traveling the world, commuting, or just listening to music? Answering that question will really help make this decision even easier. In the case of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 and the Apple AirPods Pro, they are actually a lot more similar than they are different. Some of the similarities that they share are that they both offer up great sound quality, solid active noise cancellation, excellent battery life, and of course, the fact that they are both fully wireless earbuds. However, that's really where the similarities end and the differences begin to show, especially when you look at the price. The AirPods Pro retail for $249 and the Momentum True Wireless 2 are going to retail for $299 when they launch in April. These are by no means cheap earbuds. So, what are the main differences? Well, for one, obviously form factor. A lot of people knock the Sennheisers for looking a bit too large in my review video, but as you can see here side by side, they really aren't that much bigger than the AirPods Pro. The AirPods have stems that run down your ears, whereas the True Wireless 2 stick out a bit more instead. Both these earbuds are very comfortable to wear once you find the right sized ear tips, and I never really felt any pain or discomfort with either one of them. Though I actually do have to give the slight edge to the AirPods here when it comes to comfort, especially for extended periods of time. It's a bit more of a liberating experience on your ears, and I think that all comes down to the form factor. The next difference between the two is sound quality. Both these buds offer great sound quality, but between the two, there's no question that the True Wireless 2 win hands down. This is signature Sennheiser sound in a small compact package, and you really can't beat that. It's crisp, it's detailed, you can adjust things in the companion app, and once you hear a song through these, it is going to be really tough going back to any other pair of wireless earbuds. The active noise cancellation is also significantly better with the True Wireless 2, as I feel a lot more enclosed and a lot more isolated from the world around me compared to the AirPods Pro, which do actually let a lot of environmental noise in even with active noise cancellation on. Both these earbuds also have great microphones for making calls as well, but I feel like it's easier to focus on the actual call with the True Wireless 2 thanks to that great active noise cancellation. Another difference between the two is battery life. While both these buds have solid battery life, the Sennheisers have a slight edge here, offering up to 7 hours with the buds themselves and 21 hours with the case, giving you a total of 28 hours on a single charge. The AirPods Pro bring 5 hours with the buds and about 18 or 19 hours with the case for a total of 24 hours of listening time. If battery life is what you're after, you're going to be getting a little bit more out of the Sennheisers than you will with the AirPods. Another difference between the two is that the AirPods Pro offer wireless charging with the case and the True Wireless 2 do not. So if wireless charging is a deal breaker for you, well, the AirPods Pro are the only one between the two that offer it. Where the AirPods Pro do shine over the True Wireless 2 is Inconvenience. This is the reason why I believe they are so trendy and so popular. It's basically because they just work. You open up the case, you put them in your ears, and you're good to go. I find myself more drawn to these if I want to listen to audio of a video, in a snack app, or if I want to make a call or a FaceTime call, as the experience is just like no other pair of wireless earbuds that I've ever used. You can also use one earbud at a time or use both, whereas with the True Wireless 2, you can only use the right earbud by itself for some reason. The Momentum True Wireless 2 are basically just as convenient as well. It's just that the user experience with the AirPods, especially if you have an iPhone, is really tough to beat. So, if I had to choose just one, would I choose the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 or the Apple AirPods Pro? Well, it really depends on what I'm actually going to be doing. If I'm going to be traveling on a plane or a train, or I'm going to be in a consistently loud environment, no doubt I'm going to want to go with the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2. These things are awesome. The noise cancellation, the sound quality, the battery life, they are phenomenal at everything. I think they really are. They could be the best wireless earbud to beat in 2020. It's going to be interesting to see what comes and outshines them, because they really are that good. They're $300, they're $50 more than the AirPods Pro, but I think that price difference is justified by the feature set that you're getting out of these earbuds. On the flip side, if you want something a little more convenient, you have the AirPods Pro. It's no wonder why these are the most popular headphones out there, because you basically just put them in your ears, you just go, you take calls, you listen to music. The sound quality is not going to blow you away, but it's really good. So, you know, compromises. It is what it is. If you're an iPhone user, AirPods Pro are great. You just toss them in your bag, you just go to the gym, you just go, you catch your flight, you just do what you need to do. These are awesome. But if you want the best possible sound quality that you can get out of a wireless pair of earbuds to date, I would say the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 are no doubt worth the price. They're equally as convenient as AirPods as soon as you pair them, but I do think that they're a little more like techie, or a little more like audiophile, if that's even a word. But you know, these are a little more, they can be a little more intimidating than the AirPods, which I do think are a little more welcoming than these. But either way, like I said, you really can't go wrong with either pair, because they really are great. To sum this video up, which pair of wireless earbuds you get really depends on what you're going to be doing with them. I think the AirPods Pro offer a more comfortable form factor, the ease of use, of course, the convenience, especially if you're an iPhone user, and the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 offer up much better sound quality, active noise cancellation, and battery life. The Sennheisers are more for those who want the best possible sound quality that you can get out of a wireless pair of earbuds. And for me personally, those are the ones that I would go with. It's an extra $50 well spent. Anyways, guys, that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, because it always helps out the channel. Also, let me know what you guys think down in the comments box down below. Would you prefer the AirPods Pro, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2, something else? I would love to know your thoughts down in the comments box down below. And until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Get out there, go pop some buds in your ears, and just have some fun. Peace. 'Cause I don't wanna